Did you know that the Amex Bluecash everyday credit card can give you peace of mind when renting a car? With this credit card, you may have car rental insurance coverage. When you use your Amex Bluecash everyday credit card to pay for your car rental, it may provide coverage for damage or theft. In the unfortunate event of an accident or theft, your Amex Bluecash everyday credit card might cover the costs, saving you from expensive out-of-pocket expenses. Just make sure to decline the rental company's collision damage waiver, as your Amex Bluecash everyday credit card could provide primary coverage. It's essential to carefully review your credit card's terms and conditions to understand the coverage limits and requirements. Keep in mind that coverage may vary depending on your location and the specific rental car agreement. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can always contact Amex customer service. Apart from car rental insurance coverage, the Amex Bluecash everyday credit card offers other benefits like earning cash back on everyday purchases. So, not only do you enjoy peace of mind, but you also earn rewards while using your Amex Bluecash everyday credit card. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the Amex Bluecash everyday credit card can be your reliable companion. So, before you rent your next car, explore the car rental insurance coverage offered by the Amex Bluecash everyday credit card. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights. Happy travels and happy savings with the Amex Bluecash everyday credit card.